So this technology is called language for real life, like Lexia. It's not just learning for Chinese one language, but multiple languages. I searched for this. I searched for real life language learning, so this came up. It's a new app. I believe is organized by University of Maryland for supporting learning language, and so by the National Foreign Language Center at the University of Maryland. Because learning language, and I feel the hard part is to put it into use for Chinese language learners. If they're not in the home where the language is spoken daily, it's hard for them to have that language sustaining part. So this app fill in that gap and make learning really practical. So if you download the app, you can set a goal, determine the amount of time you want to study each week, and the dashboard will keep track of your progress, and so you can go further to know more authentic materials, to hear their speaking, almost like you're in that country, in that language environment. Also, they give you goals and monitor your progress, keep you motivated. It's absolutely free. You can learn anywhere, and there's all kinds of features that you can learn for different types of learners. Multimedia, transcripts, and translation. And also for all level learners. So this is the learner in progress in real action. So I think that's the part I'm missing for my students. We're not in China. I can take them to the street, on the street, or to a coffee shop to provide that real Chinese language environment. But this app really provide that learning environment for them to learn, to practice Chinese language. So I'm going to use this, and I think Systems Designer 3.4 for ISTE. Leaders build teams and systems to implement and sustain and continually improve the use of technology to support learning. So I believe this is a great way to learn using technology. Thank you.